Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine and well at your home. Dear children, today is Independence Day. So, wish you happy Independence Day. And I hope you will to keep your surrounding clean, be honest and do good for your country. Now we will start our environment science and our topic is important place part 1. Dear children, see this picture carefully. This is picture of post office. And who brings our letter to our home? Postman. And in previous class we have learnt poem on postman. Rat-tat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat-tat. Who is that? Who is that? It is the postman with letter in a bag. He brings letter from far and near, from my friend who are very dear, who are very dear. So how was poem? Nice, na? And postman work in post office. See the picture of post office. You have seen postman brings our letter from very far and near. And we also do so many work from post office. See, this is picture of post office. Dear children, see carefully what is going and happening on here. We post letter in the letter box. The postman collects the letter from the letter box and takes them to the post office. At the post office, letters are sorted out and sent to different places. The post office provides us with other service. Also, we buy stamp, postcard, inland letter from the post office. Post office offer money saving scheme. We can also send parcel and money order from the post office. Money order means you can send money from post office as like bank. So children, you have seen post office is very important place and they are also help us in different ways. There are so many counter in post office. For example, stamp, saving, etc. So children, make a picture of post office and send me. We will meet in next video with new information. Bye. Have a nice day.